This video explains how to install the timing belt. Maintaining proper tension is important for ensuring power transmission and the durability of the timing belt. Step 1. For safety, please ensure the switch is turned off and the machine has completely stopped before you begin installing the belt. Step 2. Tension the belt. Step 3. Measure the tension to ensure that it falls within the recommended range for proper installation. Step 4. Run the belt for about 1 minute to break it in. If the belt is slanted during installation, it will be straightened by breaking it in. Step 5. Stop the machine and measure the tension again. If the tension decreases out of the recommended range, tension the belt again until reaching the proper tension by adjusting driven pulley. Step 6. Ensure that the tension is adjusted within the range before starting operation. Make sure the belt teeth are properly engaging with the pulley teeth. Step 7. After operation, measure the tension again. Step 8. If the tension does not decrease after operation, the installation is complete. If you have any questions about timing belts, please contact us through our website.